Hey everybody, I'm Christina. Welcome to my video. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 AI automations that turns your company data into new clients. So you don't want to miss this one. So you are sitting on a gold mine of data, and a lot of folks may not realize it, but you have tons of data and it's not making you any money or maybe some money. But the truth is, most B2B companies collect mountains of data from their CRM, emails, spreadsheets, and operations, and yet they still struggle to turn that data into new clients. And I had issues as well with my business. Now, why is that? Because the data never gets translated into action. So you have all this information, but we don't know what to do with it. But the right AI automation can change that overnight, literally. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 AI automations that are turning passive company data into active revenue, specifically for new client acquisition, because this is key. These are automations we have installed in real businesses, from law firms to construction companies and financial services, and they consistently generate 10 to 20x ROI within the first year. So it's incredible. So because I love you guys so much, throughout this video, as I talk about the top 5 AI automations, I actually recreated the 5 AI automations I made for my clients. But because I want to respect their privacy, I did put up mock data to represent, to kind of show how everything works. But all the functionalities, the automation, the technology, everything, how it all comes together and work is still the same. The only thing that I swapped out was the data and used mock-up data. So let's dive right in. Here are the 5 AI automations that are transforming static company data into predictable client growth, broken down by business function. So let's get to the first one. First one is AI prospect scoring and intent detection. And this is great for the sales team. So what does it do? So AI reviews your existing customer pipeline, leads list, CRM entries, and even past proposal data to identify which prospects are most likely to close right now, like ASAP. They don't have to think about it. You just know when you get on that call, you're able to close them. Now, why does it matter? Your sales team is just wasting time collecting cold leads, missing the hot ones. So how it can help you get new clients? The AI technology will scan behavioral patterns. So it will actually review your CRM, if you got an email marketing campaign. So it can actually analyze that data, email engagement, website visitors, historical buying cycles, and get all these different sources of data and be able to tell your reps, hey, guess what? This week, follow up with these 12 leads this week because we see activity between the website, engagements in the emails, and etc. And we will have to plug up all those integrations into your AI prospect scoring and intent detection dashboard and make sure that works. So that instant prioritization of leads to contact is based on real-time data and not guessing and etc. So guess what? Your sales team is able to get new clients faster with less guesswork. And your sales team is going to be so happy to get on calls because they know that, all right, we know we're going to close because we know we're dealing with people who are more likely to purchase. So this is actually a really great tool. And we have built it for one of our clients before, and they're seeing some great results. I use it within my own business as well, the same automation, and it's been a game changer. Out of every 10 folks that I talk to regarding my services, at least 70% of them I actually close. So this is this tool, the AI prospecting scoring, when you integrate it with your CRM and any other tools that you use to track your leads activity, game changer. All right, let's get into the second one. The second one is auto-generated personalized outreach automation. This is really great for prospecting. So what it does, it uses existing client success data, and the AI will craft a customized outreach messages at scale, right? Because that's something we waste a lot of time with, is content development. So it will create the customized outreach messages at scale, tailored based on industry, pain points, or buying behaviors. And you can see it in the drop down. You can set those configuration. Now, why it matters. Copy and paste cold emails don't work anymore. Last time I checked, I haven't responded to cold emails in a long time myself. So personalization wins. But who has time to personalize at scale, especially when you have a large email list? You can't personalize I'm sure you got like over 30 segmented groups in your email list, and you can't customize or personalize for each one. It's very time consuming unless you hire somebody. So how it helps, having this automation can help you get new clients by using this system. And this is how we could do it. So imagine AI pulling from your case studies, inserting the right data points from your previous clients, and sending 30 high converting messages a day without having to hire a whole social media, email marketing team. So you don't have to hire more people. And then our legal clients, one of our previous clients, we were able to send recommended outreaches to their clients and able to keep their retention 20%, which led to recover at least 1.6 million in lost revenue in the last year. So this automation is powerful. Personalized outreach, engagements with your leads and your clients is very key. So your existing data that you have from your previous clients and their results becomes a 24/7 sales generator just with this automation alone. All right, and then let's get into automation number 3, AI-driven operational alerts. So this automation, and you'll see it on the screen, it's a beautiful dashboard, but this one is really powerful because it's great for business operators or folks in your business that has to make decisions at a department level, right? Or maybe they're overseeing multiple teams, or maybe you're a solopreneur, right? So this is a really cool automation where you can make business decisions based off of these operational alerts. What it does, so AI monitors daily systems from inventory to project deadlines to customer service response times and sends behavioral-based alerts when something needs action. Why it matters. Missed deadlines, slow responses, and backlog kills client trust and repeated business. These are all invisible leaks, believe it or not. So how it helps you to get new clients with this system. By fixing your internal operations and catching fires before the client notices, you deliver a better experience and an increase referrals, upsells, and repeat business. So your best new clients often come through operational excellence that customers can feel. And guess what? Better systems, better experiences, more clients, right? So, and this system is really powerful. I built a version of it for my business. So we have certain operational alerts for all of our apps that we have built previously. So if something goes down in the system, or even checking our Notion board. If a piece of ticket that has not been addressed yet and it's been more than 24 hours, it sends me a notification. So you could really customize this dashboard and integrate it with all your tools and have one place where you can look at and make really powerful and better informed decisions and just be able to respond to things faster. That's the key. All right. So let's get to number 4. The 4th automation is AI-powered voice-to-report automation. Now, this one is pretty straightforward. And guess what? There's a lot of AI tools out there already that does support voice-to-report automation. So what it does, for those who are not familiar, is that voice-to-text AI captures field notes, client updates, or meeting recaps, and auto-generates professional reports instantly. I have built something like this for a construction company or in the construction space called sitevoice.ai. You can see it on affixai.com. You can actually check it out and do a beta test on it. So I built a custom version of the voice to report automation before. So pretty cool. Why does it matter? Manual data entries waste hours. Leads gets forgotten and important information never gets to decision makers. I know for me personally, I don't mind paper and pen, but what happens is I lose my information. Or if I'm on a job site or if I'm out and about and I need to record my verbal notes or capture information, this is the best way to do it. This is the best automation that can handle that. So with this automation, AI power voice to report automation, how does it help you get new clients? When you turn your messy input into clean, shareable reports, it builds up trust real quickly. And guess what? The decision makers can move quicker as well since you have the data. Our client in construction cut reporting time from 15 hours to 4 hours, and want more bids because they look more organized and responsive. Information is there, especially on the legal side. So AI makes you look enterprise ready without the team. So there's literally the task and departments that handles reporting and analytics. And imagine having this in your team where you're able to capture reporting, capture your notes and reporting, have it in one spot and have it all be automated. So this is pretty cool. I built a custom solution before in this space with this tool, especially with in the construction space. So definitely check it out if you want to demo it. But like I mentioned before, there are AI tools already that's out there that have these capabilities. You don't always need a custom solution. So I think some really good ones is Fireflies, Auto, that type of AI automation technologies. All right, and let's get into, listen, I gotta save the best AI automation for last, which is number 5, decision ready AI dashboard. Or I like to call it like an executive oversight AI dashboard. This is a dashboard that's for more strategic, more business strategy approach. So what does it do? It creates a live dashboard that pulls data from all your different systems and integrate it into this platform. We're talking about CRM, finance, then we use Stripe, for example, operations like HubSpot, and uses AI to scan that data, provide insights and opportunities for your business, and you can make more informed decisions. Why does it matter? And spreadsheets and etc. And that delays decision making. And it also leads to decision fatigue because we are expelling all this energy, gathering information. And then, of course, it kind of stops you from growing. So we need more of an automation in place where we can pull all the information from multiple sources and have one spot where the decision maker can look at the dashboard and say, cool, let's make a decision here. So let's tie this back in. How does it help you get new clients with this automation? AI spots trends like your churn rate is rising in segment in X, or upsell revenue is 40% higher in this state. Insights that you can actually take action on immediately to adjust strategy and target high value clients. So instead of reacting monthly, you are predicting weekly. And this is powerful. You will feel more confident every single week in your business because you have this automation. So when you have smarter decisions that are backed by AI, that will lead to faster growth and better clients. So those are the top 5 AI automations that turns your company data into new clients on autopilot. So smart prospecting scoring, personalized outreach at scale, operational alerts that prevents churn, voice to report that builds trust fast, live dashboard that makes smarter decisions. Here's the truth. AI doesn't replace your business. It reveals the parts that's already working and pours gas on it. So think of it as like an enhancement, like makeup on a woman or mustache and beard on a man. But knowing which AI tools to use and where to start is the hard part. That's why we offer at Affix AI an AI revenue audit. It's definitely our entry point service where we can go deeper into your data, identify 3 to 5 AI opportunities, show you how each one can bring you 10x ROI or more before you spend a single dollar on an AI system. And you'll walk away with a full blueprint, tailor-made for your business. You'll know exactly how AI generates new clients, no guesswork. And if you don't find at least 3 ROI positive opportunities, your audit is free. So feel free to click the link in the description below to book your AI audit today, and let's uncover the revenue hiding inside of your data. And listen, y'all, if you got value from this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. We have got more AI strategies coming your way every week to help you scale smart without scaling headcounts. See you in the next video.